Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today we have the Stylus pen for the Surface Pro series. Works on a variety of different models. Let me open the box here. Okay, here we go. So that is your Surface pen directions. It'll give you kind of a quick idea of all the features that it does. And I got my Surface Pro X here. And then this is the pen. I actually turned it on before, so it'll give you kind of an idea. So right away, it's going to recognize that. Let's open up paint. And you can paint a variety of different brushes on here. So that makes this thing really super cool. Get your marker pens. So that's really awesome. Let's change the color. I think I just made a masterpiece that we can hang up in the art gallery or something, but it gives you a pretty neat idea. And then you got the soft end on the back that you can also write with. Depending on your application, that can work as an eraser. So we put that, set that up, then you can erase whatever you need. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And some cases even have like a little place for the top of your stylus there. So absolutely awesome. So really make this into a full-featured application that you can use a lot of different things. Use it for web surfing. You can launch that. So you can kind of multitask with that as well. Close the window, open the window back up. You know, go to Amazon, check out their latest stuff, so you can scroll up and down. So yeah, really cool, super useful, and you got a bunch of different like mouse clicks and stuff on here that you can use as well. Jump in, see different products on the Amazon site, minimize it, but yeah. So that is your Surface pen. Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.